I don't know why, but the Fimi mini drone seems to be strangely attracted to the Can-Am Spyder RSS and its passenger. So, but yeah, I'm able to bring the craft in at quite a detailed level. You have to remember that this is a side channel with a west wind blowing through the house, and it creates a swirl in here. So, in all actuality, with the twisting motion of the wind that comes out of the carport, that little droid had a little bit of a handful keeping still in that particular environment. It did an excellent job. I just could not be more pleased with it. So we had a blast today, and looks like Sherry was getting annoyed, but hey, you get to look at her eyes. Peace.